This is an exercise to make your fingers strong. It's called kangaroo hop. So we're lined up with your thumb on C and all of the fingers have one note each. I'm going to sing the numbers and play at the same time. 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 4, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3. If you noticed, I was making the first two notes short, so staccato that's called. 1, 3, 1, short, short, long. So this is what helps to make your fingers really strong. Now you can actually do this in the left hand as well. So if this was where your right hand was, your left hand, you miss two notes out and then you put your thumb on a G, and when you line up those fingers, your little finger is on C at the bottom. So the left hand goes 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 4, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3. If you want to do it hands together, it's the same finger numbers at the same time, but they're playing different notes. 1s, 3s, 1s, 2s, 4s, 2s, 3s,